Discover SAIT's Applied Research and Innovation Services Hub, ranked 4th among Canada's top research colleges and a driving force behind Alberta's cutting-edge research landscape. Located in Calgary, Alberta, Canada, the ARIS Hub collaborates with a diverse range of partners, including entrepreneurs, large corporations, Indigenous communities and organizations, nonprofits, and government agencies to transform ideas into tangible solutions that drive economic and environmental advancements locally and globally. With 4 specialized research centers and a group of independent researchers, the ARIS Hub is committed to driving innovation. SAIT aims to address key industry challenges by investigating innovative applications of remotely piloted systems and sensors, as well as the customization, validation, analysis, and integration of data products derived from these systems. Equipped with a diverse and advanced fleet, including unique remotely piloted aircraft, sensors, survey equipment, and data processing and modeling software, SAIT takes a collaborative approach to tackling these challenges, improving technology, developing and testing new products and their applications. As a technology solutions provider, collaborator, and energy innovation accelerator, Circuit's mission is to harness the power of clean energy initiatives and sustain conventional energy resources. Advanced instrumentation supports the transformation of innovative ideas into practical and effective energy solutions. Circuit's one-of-a-kind research facilities and labs enable its multi-talented team of researchers and technologists to tackle national and international energy challenges. SAIT is committed to innovation across diverse industries by fostering digital manufacturing technologies and the creation of novel materials. Through collaborative research and development, SAIT aims to advance manufacturing processes and develop material solutions tailored to industry needs. GBTAC continues to provide world-class research in green buildings through its unique facilities. GBTAC maintains full instrumentation on living lab facilities, constantly integrating new products into the building as part of research and development for energy efficiency, water conservation, and material technologies. GBTAC aims to support a broad range of industry partners, industry organizations, municipalities, governments, academic institutions, and community groups through a suite of services in building science, energy management, environment, education, and training. Our independent researchers bring specialized expertise in information technology, computer sciences, and custom electronics to every project. The independent researchers aim to deliver tailored technological solutions that ensure each project achieves its unique goals with precision and innovation. The ARIS Hub offers support throughout various research project stages, including funding, design and development, fabrication and prototyping, product testing and verification, and pre-commercialization. From idea to impact, the ARIS Hub is your partner in innovation every step of the way.